Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Chinese electrical vehicle maker Nio. Now it is one of those stocks which has given an impressive result, or I would say in terms of price action, a very sharp rise in price action in the year 2020 before it started crashing in the month of February or March, and now it has halved. But if you are looking at the overall price action and with the press release you have, which is saying that with a delivery or impressive delivery numbers and exciting product line, it's going to move on the higher side. And they are also talked about the price action, what has happened, where the price was, and where it is currently trading. And also they are also talking about the upcoming project which has presented in the Shanghai Auto Show on Monday, where Nio said that it it is enabled a power north plant project, and it's going to be executed over the next 3 years, where they are going to deploy 100 swap stations and 500 power charge stations, 100. So all the setup or the environment which is actually needed to run these electric vehicle cars. And they are also saying that there will be at least one power station at every 100 kilometers to make it more convenient for the drivers. And they are also talking about the numbers. As you can see, in less than 3 years Nio has hit the mark of producing 100,000 cars. So the story looks good, and the kind of carbon emission target the developed economies has, that they are going to move from the old diesel or petrol vehicle towards electric vehicle or some new technology. This sector or this segment, this is not only about automobile, this can go to other sectors as well, which is impacting the environment in terms of production of different gases or a different kind of chemicals that can probably increase the carbon emission. So it is in effort to reduce the carbon emission, and there are lots of product, and this is one of those product. Now this is about the press release, but talking to the chart or looking into the chart, you can see that the stock is taking support. So as you can see here, so this is the weekly chart and stock is actually taking support at $34, and it is trying to make a base here. So if you are looking at the daily chart, you will see that the stock is trying to make a support at or near $34, and this is called triple bottom, once, twice, and thrice. So in technical analysis it's a very positive trend. And if you can see here, if I just draw a line, so there is a technical breakout which has happened. But anyhow, rather than talking about a very short term trend, we are going to talk about the overall trend. So here, if you are looking at this price action, so keeping your stop loss or your support at $35 on the downside, so don't try to go below $35. If I draw a line like this, you can simply find out a trend out of it, right? So where's the next price action is, if it sustain at or above $35 as it is right now, then the next target that we are going to look at will be its previous high at $65 on the upside. Okay, so this is going to be our next target at $65. But once it makes its move above or beyond $65, then in that case the actual range will get activated. So the big range will get activated, and the target that we may look at in the upcoming weeks and months will lead the stock price towards or in between 176 and $245 on the upside. So don't look at the current volatility. The price will be volatile because of the market actions, but if the stock sustains above $35, which it is right now, and once the trend settles down, and you can't say if the stock started moving from tomorrow or after a month. That we can't say, but what we can say is about the trend and how it is moving. And looking at the current price action, you have some prominent levels which are actually there and yet to come on the upside. And mind you that if you are looking at the overall chart, so from the lows of 2019 it actually went up to 5500%. So in a span of one and a half year it has given 5000% worth of return, and after that, from the highs towards its lows, it has hardly corrected by 46%. So this is, rather than a correction, you can call it as a consolidation. And because there are big money chasing this stock, you can't see much fall in this. So once the trend settle out, you will see big trend again, or it's already started. If you look at this price action, it's already started, but when you're talking about a momentum or something like that, so obviously it will take time, but yes, the trend is very positive. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.